Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Unifi Flex Mini 2.5 gig. Alright, so let's just get right into it. When I originally saw this device, I didn't think too much of it. Just another 2.5 gig switch. But I started looking more and more into the features itself. I think that it would be a great companion to another device, which we'll get to. So here's the device itself. We have the PoEN as well as the other four 2.5 gig ports, as well as a Type-C port. And I think this is a great addition to devices like this because you can power it up with something like this. This is the Basius 140 watt power bank. And I didn't actually think too much of this device when I first saw it, but after watching a few videos on YouTube, I realized it would be a great companion to a device like this. This is the Asus Go travel router. And I think putting these two together, you'd have a pretty robust network if you're on the go or if you need to spin something out really quickly with a good amount of features compared to your home or work or whatnot. All right, so the next thing you're going to want to do is connect it to your local network. It should automatically pull down an address from the DHCP pool itself. But I will say, if you don't have any other Unifi equipment, I would recommend you downloading the Unifi controller application. This just sets up a local server so that you can host the Unifi software on there in order to adopt the actual switch itself. So I'm going to go ahead and click adopt here. And looks like it is connected. Go ahead and click this right here. Go over to Port Manager. This is where you can group some of the ports together if you want to do like aggregation or port mirroring. Insights will show you the traffic flowing through the actual switch itself. And then VLANs will give you a little bit more control over the VLANs in the switch itself as well. All right, guys, that was a quick unboxing and setup of the Flex Mini 2.5 gig switch from Unifi. I think this device has a plethora of use cases. Mine specifically is going to be VM management with a little bit of AI mixed in there. But I can see this being put in front of a front desk or maybe a remote management machine connected to a Raspberry Pi. The use cases just keep coming. But I would like to thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe.